might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon.
Okay, now we have arrived in North Sumatra Pavilion in Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. This is the Gapura and or the gate. The first we will enter this. I'm Lisa Tumanggot, and in this video I would like to tell you about the Pavilion of Traditional House of North Sumatra. North Sumatra itself exhibits 6 kinds of ethnic culture. The first is Batak Tobas, and the second is Batak Pakpak. The third is Batak Simalungun. Fourth is Batak Karo, and last is Angol. But now, especially, I have stand in front of Batak Tobas traditional house. As you can see, the top of the roof, there is a script of Horas. Okay, Horas. For the first, I would like to say Horas first. Do you have now what is the meaning of Horas? Horas means welcome for Batak people. This especially comes from Batak people, and if you meet Batak people, you have to say Horas for them. So Horas, and we will next to the next. Now I will explain you about the shape of traditional Batak house culture. The shape of Batak Tobas house are very length, with the measure of length is 2 foot wide, and standing on space underneath. The distance from the length to the down floor is more or less than 1,75 meters. Entering the house, we must passing stairs down the space underneath. The stairs are made of wood, and also the pillars of this house are made of wood too. But unfortunately, for this time, we cannot entering this room because there's a workshop and some party inside. So I will explain you just outside this traditional house.
Hijau. Enggak.
Okay, but I have forget to tell you what the name of this house. So the name of this traditional Batak house is Rumah Bolon. Bolon in Bahasa Batak is same with big. Yes, truly, as you can see, this house is very big. So this traditional house is called Rumah Bolon. Now I will explain you the characteristic of this outside. As you can see, every wall is picturing by every activity of Batak people's activity in the land. The characteristic is construction of the part building in front of the lofts is crosswise from corner to corner. Another characteristic is the roof and the floor is made of the mini structure here, and the multicolored painting, black, white, and red. The third color is the major color of this house. The decoration of Rumah Bolon itself is among the Sulepat. Sulepat means that this house is at the border of the lower part of the wall called Sambalohu, interconnected, symbolizing the unity ties because the community on the king. So the function of this house is, the old time is to gather about the king and the employee, but now this house is functioned to as a house by people. Decoration of part of the roof has a triangle design. There are pictures of cecak in front of the gate I have explained before. And Batak Tobas usually celebrate every party by using traditional music instrument like gendang, but gendang is inside, seruling, and the most popular dance is tortor by using ulos as a cloth to show how deep their culture to respect every ceremony.
3.
Okay, now we have moved to Batak Papak's house. You can see the stone here. So this Batak Papak house is called Sapo Jojong and has been signed by Governor dari Dr. Master Fawian Tumanggon. Now I will explain you about the shape and what's going on in the Batak Papak's house.
3.
What is the difference between Batak Tobas and Batak Papak? As we can see, the Batak Papak traditional house is smaller than Batak Toba. Batak Toba is very big, but this Papak traditional house very small. And as we can count here, the stair consists of 9 stairs or odd stairs. This is the principality of Batak Papak. It must have consist of stair, must count of odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you build the traditional Papak house, it must consist of 6 stairs. And as you can see the top of this house, there is a musician who follows head as an animal that walk hard in the land as an animal. Symbolically, it means the strong animal for Papak traditional culture. And the structure here, there's only 2 colors, white and black. It's different with Batak Toba. Batak Toba has 3 colors in the walls, red, white, and black. While Batak Papak only have 2 since they are white.
3.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you can explore this Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. It's located in Jakarta. And I say Horas and thank you very much.